Well, here is my first try at a footprint for a component I'm trying to model. It's a small relay, which I've got a box full of them. So I'd like a footprint I can use on PCBs to accommodate them. I've got this far with the footprint. I'm going to try and have a stab now at making the symbol, which is going to be a 4-pole changeover relay. So I've started a new symbol part here with the canvas. Now I'm assuming that I can use some of these items here to make my symbol. But I thought this looked like a reasonable thing to try. Looks like a changeover switch. I might be able to modify that perhaps in my naive way of thinking. So there's 4 of them here. Don't know what difference there is. I haven't tried. 3G, 4, 5. There seems to be a great deal of difference in them anyway, so clicked on that, moved onto the canvas, and there's nothing at the cursor. So I thought, oh, maybe you've got to drag it on. So clicked down and held and dragged. Release. You cannot drag a part to the canvas. Please click the part and move the cursor to the canvas, then right click to place. Well, that's what I tried in the first place. I'll try the right mouse button. Click with the right, well, that just gets that. Choose a different one. Nope, it doesn't work. We've got drawing tools here. A rectangle. Oh, yes, I can draw a rectangle. And what's this one? A pin. I can draw a pin. And this one is a line. Yeah, I can draw a line. But if I can't draw any of these, why put them here? Why not grey them out or something? And in fact, if I try to drag one on, why say this? Why not say you just can't do it? You can't drag a component on. But it just says you've got to click on it, not drag it. Well, that doesn't, clicking on it doesn't even work. Even when you've got a square to click into, you just use one of these that you've selected. Now, do we have to select something here first? Set canvas original. Boom. Well, I'll click down here. All right, well, let's put those crosshairs on that corner. No, it doesn't help. So I don't know what's going on here. I'll have to get in touch with support again. Incidentally, I have numbered these pins or pads or whatever you call them. Select that as pin 1, 2, 3. But we can't see the pin numbers, and there's a reason for that. It's because they are tiny. Look, but expand it to an enormous degree to be able to see them. There's the pin numbers. I don't know how to make these numbers larger. I don't think it's any of these. But if you need to see them, you've got to expand them out of all proportion. I would have thought that you could at least expand this to the size of the screen and see the pin numbers. But I was wrong again.